Hi guys, in today's video, I'll show you 5 proven methods to fix the Windows automatic repair loop or the error that says startup repair couldn't repair your PC. A lot of people face the blue screen issue, but don't worry, you're not alone. Based on what worked best for most users, we'll start with the quickest and most effective fixes, then move to advanced option if you still have the problem. Let's get started. We're going to start with the simple trick that fixed the issue for a lot of people in the comments from my previous video. If you're on laptop, shut it down, unplug the charger, disconnect all USB devices like keyboard, mouse, and speakers. If your battery is removable, take it out. Press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. Then release. After that, plug everything back in and turn your computer back on. If you're using a desktop PC, shut it down completely, unplug the power cable, disconnect all USB devices, and press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. Then release, and check to see if the problem has been resolved. This trick drains leftover static electricity that often causes glitches. For many, this alone fixed the issue. If the power drain did not resolve the issue, let's try System Restore. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. Go to System, then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now, and your PC will reboot into the Advanced Startup Options menu. From the blue screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then System Restore. And select a restore point from a date when your PC was working fine. Follow the steps to roll your system back. Sometimes a bad update causes the repair loop. Go back to the Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and uninstall updates. Try uninstalling the latest quality updates first. If that doesn't help, uninstall the latest feature update. And if that fails, go back and choose Startup Settings, then Restart. Press 5 to boot into the safe mode with networking. Once in Windows, open the Control Panel, and go to Program and Features, View Installed Updates, and just remove the most recent update or any suspicious app you installed before the issue started. If the problem is still there, open the command prompt from the Advanced Options, and let's type these commands one by one. You'll find all these commands in the video's descriptions below. For the last command, replace the C drive with your Windows drive if it's different. If nothing else works, unfortunately, you will have to reset your PC. From the troubleshoot, select Reset this PC and make sure to choose Keep My Files. That way you'll preserve your data files, however, your apps and settings will be lost. Pick Local Reinstall and just wait for the reset to complete. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.